Hello, home designers. Welcome back to the Coohom Interior Design Masterclass, Basic Level. This is video 20. And in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a niche wall in Coohom. Let's get started. To begin, open the floor plan tool from the top toolbar. Once it opens, click on the niche option. Now drag the niche element to the wall where you want to add it. Use the guide tool to help place the niche accurately. Then, on the right-hand panel, adjust the length, width, and height to your desired dimensions. This will help you perfectly align and size the niche on the wall. Once your first niche is placed and adjusted, simply duplicate it from the right hand. And that's how you create a clean, functional niche wall in Coohom. In the next video, we'll dive into ceiling design and learn how to make your interiors feel even more elevated and complete. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with all upcoming lessons in this masterclass. Also, don't forget, you can get 73% off on all Coohom Pro subscriptions by using my exclusive promo code, Home Designer. And also you can get 10% off on all Coohom Elite Plan subscriptions using my exclusive promo code, HD Elite. Just click the link in the description to grab the deal. I'll see you in the next lesson, where we'll continue building your skills step by step. Happy designing!